First, we tie all the flowers into a bunch with tape. The top half is about 20 centimeters. We leave the bottom half about 10 centimeters. And then we bend the extra part of the flower rods up. Cut the lining paper in half. Take a piece of wrapping paper. Make the paper about 2 to 3 centimeters longer than both the top and the bottom of the bouquet. Then cut it in half. Then cut another piece of wrapping paper like this. Stagger the lining paper a little bit to fold it in half, then pinch some folds and fix the bottom. Then fix them on the left and right sides of the bouquet with tape like this. Place the bouquet on a piece of wrapping paper you just cut, leaving a little above and below. Pull the paper from the sides to the middle and tie it with a flower rod by tape. Use a piece of wrapper to create a sense of hierarchy like this. Take out another longer wrapping paper. Fold it into an S shape. Also, at this position, tie it with the flowers by tape like this. Then tie another piece of short wrapping paper in front of the bouquet. Then make some adjustments about the shapes of the papers. A little shorter on the bottom and a little longer on the top. Put the bouquet on top of the ribbon right in the middle. Tie a bow knot like this. It can be about the size of the bouquet. Fasten the bow knot. Cut the end of the ribbon at an angle. This tulip bouquet is completed.